I am Dr. W.P. Ganguly from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the strike number in case of the boron. This is the part of the cluster 1 of boron hydrides, and in case of boron hydride we are discussing the strike number, that is STYX. Strike number is the 4-digit code number, and by using this 4-digit code number it gives idea about the overall bonding in the borons. And as we know, the strike number can be calculated in case of the higher borons, and strike means STYX. S means the it indicates the S means the that is the 3-centered 2-electron bond. 3-center means boron, hydrogen bridge and boron. So 3 nuclei and 2 electrons are involved in this type of bonding, which is indicated by the S. And second is the T. T is the again 3-centered 2-electron bond, but now here the bonding is between the boron 1, boron 2, boron 3. So 3 nuclear boron join each other. So boron, boron, boron. So this is the 3-centered 2-electron bond indicated by the T. And Y is the 2-centered 2-electron bond, normal 2-centered 2-electron bond, that is BB type of bond. So it indicates boron, boron type of bonding. And last one is the X. X indicate the number of BH2, boron H2, BH2 groups present in the borons. So by using this coding, we can calculate the strike number in the higher borons like triboron, pentaboron, hexaboron. Number of higher borons are there. We can calculate the strike number in the borons. So in today's part, we are discussing some examples of higher borons and calculation of strike number in that boron. So today's topic is cluster 1, boron hydride, and in this part we are discussing the what is strike number and calculation of strike number in case of diboron, triboron, tetraboron, and the structure and bonding in case of the higher borons. So here first of all we should have to know what is the strike number. Strike means STYX, strike number, and strike number is nothing but the 4-digit code number given to the borons, and this 4-digit code number indicate the overall bonding in the borons. So detail about the strike number here is shown. What is S, what is T, what is Y, what is X. So what is X? S, this strike number is the S term. So S indicate the total number of 3-centered 2-electron bond, and this bond is of the type boron, hydrogen bridge, boron type of bond in case which are present in the higher borons. So S indicate total number of 3-centered 2-electron. 3-centered 2-electron means 3 nuclei and the 2 electrons are involved. As we have seen the structure of diboron, in that case this type of bond is present. So boron 1, hydrogen bridge, boron 2. Orbital of this boron containing 1 electron, hydrogen bridge containing orbital containing 1 electron, and empty orbital of this boron 2. In this way 3 nuclei and 2 electrons are involved in the bonding. This type of bonding is known as 3-centered 2-electron bonds. So first S indicate total number of 3-centered 2-electron bond of the type BHB, B type bond in the case of higher borons. Now second is T. T indicate total number of 3-centered 2-electron type of bond which are present in the borons, and this type of bonds is shown here. This is boron, 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 or this type of bond boron, boron, 3 nuclei of boron joined together and forming this type of bonding. So here in case of this 3 nuclei and again 2 electrons are involved here. So this is again 3-centered 2-electron type of bond which is present. So this is T, and Y indicate total number of 2-centered 2-electron bond, and this bond 2-centered 2-electron bond is the boron, boron type of bond which is present in the higher borons. And number 4 is the X, indicate the total number of terminal BH2 group which are present in the higher borons. So BH2, how many total number of BH2 unit are present in the higher borons, that is the X. So in short it is known as strike number, and strike number can be calculated for any higher borons. And so what is the meaning of strike number and what is the S, T, Y, X, which is shown in this slide. Now how to calculate the strike number? So calculation of strike number shown in this slide, and Lipscomb is the name of scientist. WN Lipscomb shows topological structures, and by using that structure we can assign strike number to the boranes, and it gives the detail about the electron involved in the bonding. So here electron tally is there. First example we are taking is the diborane, in which electron tally is shown here. So this is the first example for the calculation of strike number, and in case of diborane we have to first of all we have to tally the electron. So a structure of diborane is shown here. This is the structure: boron 1, boron 2, 2 terminal hydrogen, this 2 terminal on this, and this is the bridging hydrogen, this is bridge hydrogen. And now electron tally, total number of electron involved in the bonding framework. In case of diborane, 2 borons are there in diborane, 6 hydrogens are there. So 2 boron, and total number of borons are 2, and each boron give here 3. So 2 into 3, and 3 means boron have atom number 5. So configuration is 2, 3. So 3 electrons are present in the valence shell of the boron. So 3. So boron have 3 electrons for the bonding. So 2 into 3. And here hydrogen have atom number 1. So only 1. 6 are there. 6 into 1. Atom number of hydrogen. So in the orbital of hydrogen only 1 electron is there. So 2 into 3 and plus 6 into 1. So 3 into 2 6, and 6 into 1 6. Total 12 electrons are there in the bonding framework of diborane. So total number of electrons which are involved in the diborane, total number of electrons are there, total 12 electrons are there. And now detail about the electron. Now here is given details about the electron involved in the different types of bonding. What are the different types of bonding in the diborane, and which are shown here? Number 1, 4 bondings are there, boron terminal hydrogen. So here is shown there are 4 bonds, boron terminal hydrogen, 4 bonds are there, which is this bond is a 2 center 2 electron bond. So it is shown BHT, BHT 2, this is third and this is fourth. So 2 into 4, each bond have 2 electrons, so 4 are there, so 2 into 4, 8 electrons. Now second is boron hydrogen bridge boron, which is known as 3 center 2 electron bond. So 2 into 2 here equal to 4 electron. यहाँ पे these contain 2 bonds are there, BHBB, 2 are there, 2 electrons are there, and 2 bonds are there. So 2 into 2, 4 electrons. So 8 plus 4, total 12 electrons are there. So this is the structure of diborane, and according to the Lipscomb, according to the strike number, we can calculate now. What is S? Total number of 3 center 2 electron bond of the BHBB. So here 2 are there. So here first write S value is 2. S value is 2. S means total number of 3 center 2 electron bond of the type BHBB. So here 2. How many bonds are there? Now what is the T? 3 is again 3 center 2 electron, but 3 borons are joined together. But now here any 3 borons are there. Therefore here value is 0. Y value is also 0 because Y is a boron-boron bond. Here is no any boron-boron bond. 2 borons are there, but no boron-boron bonds are there. Therefore again it is 0. X is there. How many? What is the number of BH2 group? So this is 1. This is second. So 2 is there. So strike number for diborane is a 2002. So strike number for this diborane is 2002. This is the strike number which is shown here. So in this way we can calculate the strike number in the higher boranes. This is the first example. Second example is the B3H9. And in case of B3H9, topological structure suggested by Lipscomb is shown here. 3 borons are there, 1, 2, 3. 3 boron, and H9 terminal here. All the here terminals are 6 and 3. This is terminal hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terminal and 3 bridging. Between 2 boron there is a bridging hydrogen 1, 2 and 3. So this is the topological structure, and now first of all find out the detail about the electrons involved in the different types of bonding shown here. But now first of all do the electron tally. So in case of electron tally, total number of electrons, how many number of electrons are present in the molecule? So how many? 3 borons are there, so 3b plus 9 hydrogen, 9h. 3 into 3, because 3 are the 3 borons are there, 3, and each boron have 3 electrons in the valence shell for the bonding. So 3 into 3, 9 into 1. Now total of this is 18 electrons. So total number of electrons involved in the bonding framework are 18 electrons. And detail about the electron involved in the different types of bonding. What are the different types of bonding in this molecule? So there are 6 BH2 boron terminal hydrogen, 2 center 2 electron bonds are there, 6 bonds are there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 into 6, total 12 electrons are there. 2 into 6, there are total 12 electrons. And second type of bonding is 3 bondings are there, boron, bridging hydrogen, boron, 3 center 2 electron bond. This is 1, boron, bridging hydrogen, boron, 1, 2, 3. So 3 bonds are there, so 2 into 3, 3 bonds are there, and here 2 electrons are involved, so each bond give 2 electrons, so 2 into 3, 6 electrons, 12 and 6, total 18 electrons. So electron tally shows 18 electron, and details about the electron involved in the different types of bonding are also 18 electrons. So we can calculate on the basis of this what is the total, what is the strike number. So as we know, what is S? S is the 3 center 2 electron bond, and here 3 are there, 3 BHB bond, so 3 are there. T is 0, Y is 0 because there is no boron bond, and third is a Y is the, there is no any boron bond, therefore 0. And BH2 units are, fourth is X value is BH2 unit, number of BH2 unit. So this is 1, this is second, this is third. So 3 are there. So 3003 is the strike number. 3003 is the strike number in case of boron B3H9. So structure, electron tally, details about the electron involved in the different types of bonding are shown in this slide. For example is second example, B3H9. Third example is now B4H10 tetraboron. So here structure of B4H10 is shown here. This is the structure, boron 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 types of boron, and in this case here 4 borons are arranged here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way B4H10, and total 10 hydrogens are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terminal, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 bridging hydrogen. So total 10 hydrogens are there, and in this case of this, in this structure of this B4H10, 4 bridging hydrogens and 6 terminal hydrogen. 2 are here, 2 are here, and 1 to this this is another terminal. So now here total number of electrons involved in the bonding framework are shown here. So B4, 4 borons plus 10 hydrogens are there, B4H10. So 4 into 3, 4, and the boron have 3 electrons in the valence shell, 4 into 3, 10 into 1, total 22 electrons are there in the in case of the electrons are there in the bonding framework of the B4H10. Now details about electron involved in the different types of bonding and what are the different types of bond which are present in the boron are shown here. First type of bond is a boron terminal hydrogen. 6 are there. So in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 are there, and which is the 2 center 2 electron bond. So 2 into 6, 2 electrons are there, and 6 BH2 bonds are there. So total 12 electrons. There is one BB bond. See here, now this is boron and this boron having this BB bond. So there is a one BB bond, 2 center 2 electron bond, 2 into 1, 2 electrons. And there are boron, hydrogen bridge boron. This is 1 and this is 2. Here 4. Here the third type is a 4 boron, hydrogen bridge boron. So this is boron, hydrogen bridge boron. This is 1, this is second, this is third, and this is 4th. So 4 bonds are there of the type 3 center 2 electron bond. So 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 8. So total is now 22 electrons. So in this way, this total electron involved in the bonding and electron involved in the different types of bonding are telling. And here strike number can also be calculated. So here we can calculate the strike number for this. So strike number, yes, is a 3 center 2 electron bonds. So how many are there? 4. So this type of bondings are there. 4 bonds are there. So 4. Yes is 4. T is the BBBB type of bond. There is 0. So 4 0. And T is the BB bond. 1 is there. So 4 0 1. And BS2 units are 2 here. So 4 1 0 2. 4102 is the strike number in case of B4H10. So this is the B4H10 structure bonding in these higher boranes are shown here. And in case of tetraborane 10 B4H10, elemental analysis, vapor pressure density method, molecular weight determination suggests that this the molecular formula for this compound is a tetraborane 10 is the B4H10. This is the molecular formula of this tetraborane, and structure of B4H10 is established on the basis of X-ray diffraction. Is there on the basis of X-ray diffraction method. The structure of B4H10 is considered as a part of slightly distorted octahedron. And boron 1 and boron 2 lie below the plane. Boron 1 and 2 lie below the plane. And boron-boron bond length is 1.71 angstrom per minute, and boron terminal hydrogen bond length is 1.14 angstrom. This is the details about the tetraborane 10, which is known as tetraborane 10, and formula is B4H10. Now this tetraborane B4H10, this is the structure of the B4H10. So this is boron 1, this is boron 2. So number is given. So here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 are there. So in this way boron 4 are there, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, and bridging hydrogen, bridging, and here bridging, and terminals are there. So we can also show this type of structure of B4H10. And topological structure of B4H10 is as we have seen 2 bridging this BH2 unit, 4 bridging hydrogen, and 6 terminal hydrogen. This is the topological structure of this tetraborane 10 having the formula B4H10. So this is the structure on the basis of X-ray. First structure, and bond length is also obtained from the X-ray. What is the bond length, what is the bond angle? On the basis of that we suggest this structure for B4H10. But according to the Lipscomb topological structure, second structure is the topological structure according to the Lipscomb. And there is a 1 boron-boron bond, 4 bridging hydrogens, and 6 terminal hydrogens are there. So these are the structures of tetraborane 10, B4H10. So in this case of tetraborane 10, we have seen the electron tally 22. Already we have seen 22 electrons are there, different types of bondings are there, and on the basis of that we can calculate. So here 22 electron and 22 electrons, and the total number of electron 22 electron matches with the bonding framework of electron. Therefore it means we can say that Lipscomb topological structure of B4H10 is correct. So as the electron tally, number of electrons involved in the bonding and number of electron involved in the different types of bonding, both are matches. So as the number of electron 22 electrons matches with the bonding framework electron, it means Lipscomb topological structure of B4H10 is correct. So we have also determined what is the strike number of the tetraborane 4102. So a strike number can be calculated for this tetraborane 10, and electron tally and details about the electron involved are shown in this slide. Now next example is the B5H9. We have to see what is the structure and bonding in case of B5H9. So which is known as pentaborane 9. B5H9. It is also known as pentaborane 9. And again in this case also similar to tetraborane, elemental analysis, vapor pressure density method, molecular weight determination of this compound all this study shows that the molecular formula of this compound is a B5H9, commonly known as pentaborane 9. Therefore, the structure of this borane is we can suggest or we can establish on the basis of X-ray diffraction studies of the single crystal of B5H9 at 158 degrees Celsius. So here the 5 boron atoms are arranged in a square pyramidal manner. So in case of pentaborane, 5 borons are there. So all these 5 borons are arranged in a square pyramidal manner. This geometry can be considered as a part of slightly distorted octahedron. And 4 borons B1, B2, B3, B4 are equatorial basal, and boron number 5 is a apical. So it is the geometry of this borane is a square pyramidal, and boron 1 is attached with boron 2. Boron 4 is attached boron 4 by bridging hydrogen. So this is details about the pentaborane 9 B5H9, and structure. On the basis of that, we have suggested on the basis of X-ray structure of B5H9 is shown here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 borons. So this is the 4 borons are there. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4? This is the square and this is the pyramid. Fifth boron is a square pyramidal type. And the topological structure of B5H9 is shown here. 1, 2, 3 boron, and this is the 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5. So in this way they arrange. So here is a B type of bond is there. Bridging are there 1, 2, 3, 4, and terminal are also there. So each boron have one terminal, and between the two boron there is a bridging hydrogen. So this is the topological structure of the B5H9. And so for this case B5H9, this is the structure. And what is this type number? In this case, S is a boron Hb boron type of bond. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So S is 4. What is T? 3 center 2 electron bond of the type B. So 3 are joined each other. So there is a 1. Such type of bond is 1. So T is 1. Now there are 2 center 2 electron bonds are there. BB type of bond. So how many BB type of bonds are there? So here is shown 2 BB type of bond. So this is 1 and this is second BB type of bond. So 2 are here, and 0 is there. BH2 in it. Number 4. What is X? Number of BH2 in it. In this case there is no any BH2 in it. Therefore it is 0. So strike number for this is 41020. Strike number of this pentaborane 9 B5H9 is a 4120. The first structure is decided on the basis of X-ray diffraction, which give bond length, bond angle also, and on the basis of that data we can suggest the structure B5H9, first one. And second one is the topological structure of the B5H9 according to the WN Lipscomb. So 4120 is the strike number. I think you understand what is the S, what is T, what is Y and X. So in this way now it is very simple to calculate the value of strike number. But for that we should have to know what is S, what is T, what is Y, what is X. If we know that, then it is very easy, and after plotting this from the structure we can calculate strike number. How many bondings are there, what is the value of S, what is T, what is Y and what is X. Now in case of pentaborane, 6th point is that B5 is directly attached with the boron 1 and boron 4. The boron 5 is attached with B1 and B3 by closed 3 center 2 electron type of bond, and the boron-boron bond length is 1.69 angstrom unit. Boron terminal hydrogen distance is 1.20 angstrom unit. Bridge distance is hydrogen bridge and hydrogen bridge distance is 1.95 angstrom unit. Terminal bridge and hydrogen bridge are distances 2.17 angstrom unit. So according to the Lipscomb, we can say Lipscomb proposed topology structure for the B5H9, which can be used to find out the strike number and to give the detail about the electron involved in the bonding framework. So according to the Lipscomb, strike number we have calculated, and it is a 4120 for this B5H9. So on the basis of topological structure of B5H9, according to the Lipscomb, the strike number is 4210. So 4120 is given, 4120, and detail about the electron tally is there, electron involved are there. So this is the structure for B5H9. So another structure is here is shown how electron tally in B5H9 is there. So total number of electrons involved in the bonding framework, 5 borons are there, 9 hydrogens are there, 5 into 3, 9 into 1, total 24 electrons are there. Now detail about the electron involved in the different types of bonding. In case of B5H9, different types of bondings are 4 types are there. 5 bonds are there of the boron terminal, which is the 2 center 2 electron bond. So 2 into 5, 10 electrons. Boron bonds are there 2, so 2 center 2 electron bond, 2 into 2, 4 electrons. There are boron hydrogen bridge borons, so 4 bonds are there, 3 center 2 electron bond, 2 into 4, 8 electrons. There is one boron, 3 center 2 electron bond, 2 into 1, 2 electron. Again now addition of all these total is a 24 electrons. We can say that as the electron matches, it means that Lipscomb topological structure for B5H9 is correct. So as the 24 electron involved in the bonding framework tally with the electron involved in a different types of bonding, so electron matches, and therefore on the basis of that Lipscomb topological structure for this B5H9 or pentaboron 9 is a correct structure. So in this way we have calculated the strike number, and also we know what is the strike number. So in today's part we have discussed what is strike number, how to calculate the strike number, and different example we have discussed. Diboron B2H6, triboron B3H9 or H10, B4H10, so and B5H10. So these are diboron, triboron, tetraboron, pentaboron, and there we have also discussed the structure of the on the basis of X-ray diffraction studies and other analysis, and also according to the topological structure of the Lipscomb we have calculated how to calculate the value of strike number. We have taken with example. So this is important part, and for any higher boron it is possible to calculate the strike number. So what is S, what is T, what is Y, and what is X, which is known as strike number, also known as 4-digit code number.